What's up, lovely people, and welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I'm going to be making some Chinese curry chicken, so come on and let's make this. So here in my bowl I have two boneless chicken breasts. So what I did, I washed them in some white vinegar and lime juice. Afterwards I drained the water and cut them in small pieces. So I am going to add a little seasoning. So first I'm going to add some all-purpose seasoning. I am adding a tablespoon. Afterwards I'm going to add a tablespoon of chicken seasoning, and I'm going to add a little black pepper. So do not over season the chicken guys, alright? Just add a little seasoning to it. Also, if you want to add a little salt, you can. So I'm going to just mix to season the chicken. Afterwards I'm going to let it marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes, because this type of chicken doesn't need a long marination. So since the chicken will not be marinated for a long period, ensure that you rub the seasoning into the chicken very well. So ensure that each piece is fully coated with the seasoning. So guys, I added about 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil into the pot. You can add any oil of your choice. Afterwards I'm going to add the chicken pieces. So guys, we're not gonna burn the curry with the video here, because remember we're doing the Chinese style version. Alright, so just follow the method that I'm using and you will have some delicious Chinese curry chicken. So what I'm doing with the chicken is just stir it around in the pot, because I want the chicken to caramelize. In Jamaican term we say we are brown the chicken, but guys, we're not gonna brown it where it get black. We're just going to let it have a little color. Alright, so each time I just stir it occasionally, I should say. So as you can see, I'm trying to get all the pieces to be in the pot so that they can, get the color that I need them to have. But if you want to use a bigger pot, you can. But guys, Jamaicans, we love it dirty, alright? So I'm not left it out. So that's why I'm using mine. So I'm just stirring it at this point. Afterwards, I'm going to cover the pot and let it simmer a little, guys, develop some water of its own. And also, because I did not let it marinate for a long time, this will help it to develop more flavor. So after about 2 to 3 minutes, I am stirring it again. So you just stir it and then you cover the pot again, let it simmer for about 3 minutes, and then you open the pot, stir again, just repeat the process. Alright guys, until you develop a little nice brown color. As I say, I don't want it to be very brown. I am doing this on a medium flame. So guys, this is the last time I'm going to let the chicken brown. So as you can see, it has developed a little light brown color. So this is what I was looking for. So what I'm going to do is to add my curry paste. Alright, so guys, I will do an upcoming video on how I make it. So after you add the curry paste, guys, you can see it starts to boil. So I'm going to add my natural seasoning. I will leave all the ingredients down below in the description box, so remember to check it out. Alright, so I'm just going to give it a stir, just that all the chicken pieces will be fully coated in the curry paste. Guys, you don't need no water. Alright, so once you had enough of the curry paste, you don't need any liquid other than the curry paste. Alright, so just cover the pot, let it come to a boil. So as you can see guys, it is looking lovely. So I'm going to add my scotch bonnet pepper, so you can add it to your taste. So afterwards I'm going to stir it, then I'm going to cover the pot and let it cook for 10 more minutes, because guys, remember we never burn the curry powder, so we have to let it cook. Alright, so just cover the pot and let it cook for 10 minutes, and I'm still using the medium flame. So after about 2 to 3 minutes, I am adding some sweet peppers. Then you're going to stir again. Then you're going to cover the pot and let it cook. But look at that guys, look how juicy and delicious it looks, and it has not yet finished. I can't wait to dig in, guys. I hope you'll try this recipe, and if you do, remember to tag me on Instagram at recipe_Tamara. Also subscribe if you're enjoying this video, guys. Remember to share with your friends and family members. So at this point the chicken is almost finished cooking. I am just going to let it cook for about 2 more minutes, then I'm going to put out the flame. The chicken is fully cooked, but I like my gravy to be less, so I'm going to let it simmer a little bit more. But if you like a lot of gravy, then I can just leave it just as it is. So look at that, guys. Wow, looking so good. So guys, it has reduced a little bit more to my desire, so I put out the flame, guys, and I'm going to share some and present to you. So guys, this is the finished look. I am having mine with some fried ripe plantains, some white rice, and tomato slices. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you then in my next video.